Number 1. 1976 Ford Pinto Wagon, $7,000, Los Angeles, California. This well-preserved Pinto wagon represents a practical side of 1970s motoring, with rear-wheel drive simplicity and lightweight efficiency. With just over 70,000 miles and long-term ownership history, this California car benefits from consistent maintenance, including a remanufactured carburetor and numerous replacement parts. Passing California emissions testing recently adds real usability. While not a performance car, it is a dependable vintage daily driver with growing nostalgic appeal among collectors of compact American cars. Number 2. 1960 Mercury Comet, $8,500, Boise, Idaho. An early compact from Mercury, the Comet is becoming increasingly collectible due to its clean styling and rarity. This example retains its original character with a 3-speed column shift manual and inline-6 engine. Extensive recent mechanical work, including brakes, fuel system, and electrical components, enhances reliability. Positioned more as a cruiser than a hot rod, it offers a smooth, classic driving experience with distinctive early 1960s charm. Number 3. 1984 Toyota Pickup, $4,000, Nordland, Washington. Powered by the legendary 22R engine, this Toyota pickup is known for exceptional durability and longevity. Despite higher mileage, this example has received extensive recent servicing, including timing components, fuel system, cooling system, and ignition parts. The 5-speed manual transmission and simple rear-wheel drive layout make it highly dependable. This is an ideal classic utility truck that can still serve as a reliable daily driver or light work vehicle. Number 4. 1979 International Scout II, $11,500, Rufus, Oregon. The Scout II is a true off-road icon and a direct competitor to early sport utility vehicles like the Bronco and Blazer. This example features a desirable 345 V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and 4-wheel drive system. With an uncut body and only minor surface rust, it retains strong originality and structural integrity. Recent updates and long registration add to its usability, a solid choice for collectors seeking a rugged, classic off-road platform. Number 5. 1989 Ford F250 4x4 long bed, $18,250, Shingletown, California. This heavy-duty truck is equipped with the legendary 7.3-liter IDI diesel engine and enhanced with a Banks turbo system, significantly improving performance. Built as a custom off-road machine, it includes a lift kit, oversized tires, dual winches, and reinforced features. The rebuilt transmission and extensive modifications make it highly capable for off-road or utility use. This is less of a restoration piece and more of a purpose-built classic truck with serious presence and capability. Number 6. 1968 AMC Rebel, $10,000, Tucson, Arizona. The AMC Rebel offers a unique alternative to mainstream muscle cars, powered by a 290 V8 engine. This example runs and drives, making it a functional project car with solid fundamentals. While it requires some attention, its rarity and classic styling provide strong potential for restoration or customization. It is an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking for something different from the typical Ford or Chevrolet offerings. Number 7. 1967 GMC C10 Truck, $5,000, Olalla, Washington. A true barn find, this C10 retains its original inline-6 engine and 3-speed column-shift transmission. Known for durability and simplicity, these trucks are highly sought after in the classic pickup market. This example runs and drives with minimal visible rust and a solid body overall. The bed will need restoration, allowing the next owner to personalize it. A great entry-level classic truck project with strong long-term value. Number 8. 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon, $27,000, Hutchinson, Kansas. This beautifully built ranch wagon blends classic 1950s styling with modern drivability. Equipped with a later model 302 V8 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning, it offers a comfortable and reliable driving experience. The multiple show trophies and awards highlight its high-quality build and presentation. This is a turnkey show car that combines vintage aesthetics with modern performance and convenience. Number 9. 1972 AMC Javelin SST, $14,200, Omro, Wisconsin. A true American muscle car with distinctive styling, the Javelin SST stands out in a sea of more common competitors. Powered by a 360 V8 and automatic transmission, this example has been upgraded with 4-wheel disc brakes, improving safety and drivability. As a running and driving vehicle, it can be enjoyed immediately while still offering room for cosmetic or mechanical improvements. A solid and relatively affordable entry into the muscle car segment. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet K5 Blazer, $20,000, Rosa, California. This K5 Blazer is an exceptionally well-preserved example of a classic full-size sport utility vehicle. With a single original owner, zero rust, and extensive documentation, it stands out as a collector-grade truck. Powered by a 350 V8, paired with a 700 R4 transmission, it delivers strong performance and reliability. Recent maintenance and original features make it both highly usable and desirable. These late-generation Blazers are rapidly increasing in value, especially in this condition.